Today we're going to be changing the taillight bulb on our 2008 Lincoln MKX. What you'll need today is a ratchet, extension, and an 8mm socket. You have two screws you have to take out here, one here, and that'll give us access to the light. Now all we have to do is just slide it out, and our bulb is right here. It's burned out. I'll go grab another one. So make sure you put your gloves on, not to get any of your hand oils on the light bulb. It'll shorten the life of the bulb. We're using the Sylvania 3057 long life bulb. You can get it anywhere at any AutoZone or Advance. Just slide it back in here and twist. Let's give it a try. Put it back in. And that's how you fix your taillight bulb on your 2008 Lincoln MKX. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.